This easy-to-make cocktail, featuring Jose Cuervo Tradicional Plato Tequila, starts by muddling 4 to 5 seedless white grapes. Add 15 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of a light floral honey like acacia. Add 80 ml of coconut water and top with 50 ml of Jose Cuervo Tradicional Plato. Top up with ice, seal your jar and give it a good shake. On opening your jar, give it a little bit more ice if it needs it, and garnish with lemon and grape. Enjoy!